Hi guys, my name is Joshua Axon and it's nice to have you all once again to this channel. If you find videos like this interesting, please like and subscribe. If you find them helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you think you have suggestions, please post in the comment section. These videos are dedicated to self-taught UX designers. I am one. This is to make it easy for them to learn new skills using Figma and find their way through the UX design process and become potential UX designers in the future. It's not an easy journey, it's just a step by step process. Well, I've created these screens already and you can find the link to this file attached to my bio just in case you would like to work with the files, which I would advise. First is frame 1, and in frame 1 here it says do you I'm looking to buy, to rent, office space or shared house. I'll just edit this so it sounds good. Let's make this capital R. That will make this a capital R as well. I'll zoom in so you can see this correctly. Please, if you find this video interesting and helpful, do not hesitate to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, I appreciate that. So if a user wants to buy a product, if a user is looking for a house to buy, next we need to know what the screen is next to load. But first, you must click on the prototype here on the top right corner of your screen, the second after design. Next, to buy, rent, office space or shared house, you can create one link that takes you to this page and says login or sign up using Facebook, Apple or Google. If you try to login, it takes you to this screen where you need to insert your email password. Remember the password or probably anything. The function of this command is on click. Function of this command is on click because it's on clicking this button or pressing this button we want it to transition to the next screen. I would like us to test our design at this point. Thank you. In order to test your design, you come to this part of the screen here where you see the mouse pointer and you can take a preview. Always remember to click on your first frame, which is this one. Thank you. Let's watch this. I want to buy, log in, there's a space to insert your details. Next, if you intend to log in without inserting any details, it hesitates. Therefore, it will take you to this screen because details must be added and it says on click here. If you would like your password to be remembered and you click on this screen and you click on the command here, it takes you to this and makes it active so your password can be remembered. And if you don't want that, you can go back to this screen and remember the command is on click. If you click on login, I'll hold shift on my device. If you click on login or probably login on this screen, on either screens, it transitions to load here. That is on click as well. The process goes on and on through to the end of this transition. It is like an animation. Now watch. The screen loads from this to this in a with a command called after delay, because you can't click this screen obviously. For good animation, you set it in smart animate. You can try the other effects on your own and see what it looks like. We change this to smart to after delay and set it at smart animate. We go through the same process for all the screens: after delay and smart animate. The process goes on and on until it gets to the last point here. It also goes through to smart animate, to after delay, and then smart animate. Don't forget that it's like an animated process here, just like a loading screen. Next, we want our app to have a hover effect in the home screen. When you touch any of these cards or you hover around any of these cards, that gives it, you want the cards to be active cards. Therefore, if you hover around this, it shows like this. We set the command to while hovering smart animate, and if it's this one, it looks like this. You change the command here to while hovering smart animate. We do the same thing for this one, and then it goes like this. We change, the effect while hovering and then smart animate. I would like to test the app at this point, please. Thank you. Here we go. Always remember to click on your main frame, which is this, before presenting. I will just present this time. If you want to buy a house, you click on buy. We've used buy the last time. Let's try rent this time. Log in. Log in. Here we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Look out for the next video where we'll be creating the sign up page. It will be an interesting one because we'll be working with these screens, and then we'll apply what we learned in this video to create the process for the next screens. If you find this video interesting, if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. I remain Joshua. See you in the next video.